What is good, y'all? What it do, boo? Is your girl E4K, and I'm live with you. Ooh, see, yeah, I could never be a rapper because, yeah, first of all, I am out of breath. All I did was like sway back and forth and throw my hands up a little bit, and I cannot breathe right now. What is good, y'all? What is up? What do it do, my boos? It is your girl E4K, and I'm back at it again, here to slay. I don't know what's up with me and wanting to be a rapper as of lately, but maybe I should retire before I begin. Anyway, you guys, I do thank all of you for clicking on that thumbnail and hollering at your girl, me, your boo, E4K. And for all my newbies, hey y'all, thank you so very, very much for stopping by and seeing what little old me had to say today. Welcome, welcome, and welcome. And y'all already know what come next. To all my A1s since day one. What it do, crew? Hey, hey, what it do, crew? Hey, hey, what it do? Okay, that's enough of that. Now, let's get down to the business. While we here, y'all know, as of what, like late November, early December, I've been obsessed with wigs and buying wigs and watching wig reviews, and I ran across a young lady who absolutely, definitely caught my eye. Her name is Miss August Nicole. Yes, y'all agree, right? Y'all agree? Miss August is absolutely fantastic. When I tell y'all, she is the sweetest, most kind person I think I've met on YouTube so far. It can get a little lonely out here in these YouTube streets sometimes, and your girl, August Nicole, has been so freaking supportive. I love her. She is a mom of 3. She is a wig reviewer, makeup reviewer. She'll show you how to do your makeup. She'll tell you where to go and get your makeup for the low, which I can appreciate because, yeah, I've spent all this money on these wigs. I ain't got no coins for the makeup, so y'all see I am super basic right here in this face. August, maybe you can help me with like a cheap slave for this right here, this face. Anyway, this video is a collaboration with Miss August Nicole. So you guys, make sure y'all go check out my little sis, August Nicole, after watching this review. So yeah, me and August, we decided to do Neesha 202. Let me tell you, you might have seen a review from another YouTuber, but they ain't like me and they ain't like her. So stick around for this review. Don't forget, like, comment, share this video with all of your friends. Even the folks that ain't your friends, share with them too. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today. Thank you, my babies. Now let's slay this week. Yeah, so Neesha 202, I have her in the color DRFF2/Butterscotch. I'm gonna say dark root face framing number 2. I guess that's what I'm gonna go with. And these are all the rest of the other colors that she comes in, which is a great variety of colors. Actually, it's a really good amount of colors. Neesha is gorgeous, and I cannot wait to plop her on my head. Let me just read the care card to y'all real quick so we can get all the formalities out the way. High heat resistant fibers, natural textures and volume, pre-plucked Swiss lace, easy to wear styles. All right, I think that covers the bases. So let me cut this lace off of her and we will plop her on our heads. And if you're interested in this unit that I have on, this is Ayla. I will leave her down below in the description and possibly have her floating in the little eye that pops up on the screen every now and then. All right, be right back. Okay, so I didn't cut the lace off. I was about to plop her on my head because I'm so excited, and I forgot to show y'all the inside of the unit. So let's talk about that real quick. Miss Neesha 202 has 2 combs on the inside, right? Well, 3 combs really, but on the inside she has them here by the ear tabs on each side, and then she has one in the back with the adjustable straps, just like a normal everyday unit. So yeah, now we're gonna plop her on our head. So y'all, this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair, and I must say, being a big-headed chick, size 23. Let me take my rings off because Neesha ain't hearing it. You understand? She is like, yeah, being a big-headed chick, she is tight. And the ear tabs right here, which thankfully they have combs right here by, oh, guess what? Yeah, my big old head, those combs won't be going into anywhere. I will be gluing Neesha 202 down. But y'all, she is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Yes, freaking gorgeous. Neesha is about to get some part definition. So y'all know I have the tendency to run my mouth and be talking about absolutely nothing at all. I'm sure y'all have seen this a million times. Just put some powder in your part to open it up and make it come alive. Neesha's beautiful. Let me give y'all a quick 360. Don't worry, I'm not gonna twerk. I'm sorry, I ain't gonna do that. I'm not gonna twerk this time, unless you want me to. Let me cut it out. All right, side, Z back. Can you see? Can you see back there? And the other side. Yep, this is Neesha. She's cute. She cute. I mean, I don't know. That hairline. Boo, I'm looking real ovally. Real ovally. Neesha gonna have to get some baby hair. So, yeah. I'll be right back. I might record it. I might record me doing all this extra stuff since some of my subscribers may not know how to do all this extra stuff. So, be right back. Alright, y'all. So, I had to grab my bed head to try to tack Miss Neesha down, but baby, that thing was too tight. So I said, well, let me just try some baby hairs. Let me see if that'll help it lay down some. I had to grab some of that got to be jail. Maybe giving her some baby hairs will help me feel like it's not just like a circular unit going around my head. It just feels super, like, I don't know, not natural is the word I'm looking for real. So I just kept trying to get those baby hairs together because the size of the cap on Neesha is way too small for my big old head. I had to make some compensation somewhere, girl. Yeah, I'm all down for the bed head, but bed head wasn't even getting this joint together. Like, bed head was like, nope, she is tiny. She is not liking the size of your big old dome. So, lo and behold, it took a spray of bedhead, some got to be glued gel, and some more bedhead to lay them baby hairs down. You know what I do appreciate about this Neesha unit is that it's not even filler hairs that's given, excuse me, y'all, that's giving us all of this like life in this unit. Like here, that's not filler hair. That is legit just a good texturized unit. You know what I'm saying? It's a good texturized grade of hair that they utilize in this unit. So I'm not mad at Neesha at all. Like, she is a beautiful, beautiful unit. Let's see. Let me bring y'all in a little closer, my darlings. Hello, baby. Hello. Yeah. She's a cutie. She is a cutie, I will say. Neesha's cute. I had to work on her a little bit right there with them them little baby bangs that I created, because Neesha actually came with soft, wispy baby hairs. Like, barely noticeable baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? So after working with her for a quick second and looking at her from different angles, I was like, she's not bad. She's not bad. I think I was so shook off of my unit that I got from Bobby Boss with the hairline that Bobby Boss just did with the unit I reviewed, that it was making me be biased towards Neesha 202. But Neesha's pretty. Neesha gets a 4 out of 5 for me. I'm taking off 1 because of the circular like hairline, and that she is not too big head friendly. Yeah, she's not too friendly to us big headed chicks out here. Size 23 headed chicks. Yeah, no, she ain't. But anyway, I hope you guys still enjoyed this review. Do not forget to go check out my baby sis, August Nicole. Let her know Aoife K sent you. And if you're over here from August channel, hey y'all, don't y'all forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know your thoughts. I know this is not the usual, like, oh my god type review for me. Yeah, she's still a baddie though. She's still a baddie. I'm gonna rock her for the week. I'm gonna blow my patience away with this baddie right here. She cute. She cute. I'm like, Aoife, your hair grew so long, girl. I'm like, I know, girl. No, you cannot touch her. I mean, my hair. All right, guys. As always, I pray God continues to cover y'all. Keep y'all covered in the blood of Jesus. Keep y'all coming right on back to me, baby, every single week. I love y'all.